Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In my two previous videos, I showed you how to install Ubuntu desktop and how to get xRDP with sound forwarding working on your desktop. So I always wondering how can I make the command much simpler, the process easier, rather than change the configuration xRDP and disable IP tables. I found out maybe we can just get a clean original Ubuntu image installed on Oracle Cloud ARM VM, and then we can use in script to install xRDP with sound forwarding support. So here is come to my post about the process. Also, there's two commands I copied here and show you the all steps in this video. Hope it can helpful for you to get your Ubuntu ARM machines desktop running well with xRDP sound support. Now let's start it. You have to create your ARM VM first. So let's get that step done quickly. You need to change the image. Change it to ARM shape machine. You may want to have 2 of CPU and 12 GB RAM, which can make your xRDP session faster. I'm having my own public key file. One thing I want you to change is to allow 33889 on your network security group, because we're gonna install xRDP and we're gonna using RDP protocol 33889 to connect to it. So that's a step you will need it. So we already got a public IP, so let's get our SSH client ready and SSH to it. It won't take too long. Your ARM VM will be provisioned. So we're gonna get our first command. We're gonna DD original clean Ubuntu image into this ARM VM. So this ARM VM is Oracle VM. They have built-in firewalls enabled, also built-in monitoring agent from Oracle enabled. If you don't want to use those, you may want to get your clean Ubuntu VM, just like I'm doing here. Paste command, and then let's run. It's probably gonna run 5 to 10 minutes, depending your resources assigned to this ARM VM. I'm not gonna wait this video to record in whole process. I'm gonna pause the video here and then come back when it's ready. After 6, 7, 8 minutes, you should be able to start to try SSH login now. Remember, we're gonna using root account. We're gonna using this password login, and you have to change your login method from cert-based authentication to username password based authentication. Here is the root. Paste the password. Now we are in. Our second command is here. Just need to wget the script and then run it. After that, we just need to wait probably another 5, 6 minutes. You should be able to get working Ubuntu desktop with xRDP and sound support well for your this virtual machine. So let's wait, and I will come back once it's done.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The installation has been completed. So we got the new user, RDP user, and the password, RDP user underscore password, to log into system. Remember, we cannot use root user to log in because there's no sound support for that. If you want to get the sound working, you have to use this RDP user. You can change the password after you log in, or you can reprogram the script to get your own username password. So this is not original our Ubuntu desktop. This is a simplified desktop, but it's all working as well. You can have Firefox web browser, and we also can run Chromium browser as well. So we have installed a Chromium browser. So we have Chromium browser, so yellow frame should working. Now let's test the sound. There's sound coming, but it's not that fluent.
We're gone for days, but now I'm writing short emails and messages all day. Every day. really has been a lifesaver. You say, well, you know, it's really this CRISPR.
My friend is insane at
So it does working. As we can hear, the sound is forwarding through the RDP session. That's pretty much everything I want to show you. There's some audience telling me how we can make the session much faster because they still can tell the RDP session is lagging. So basically you will need to use a FRP, fast reverse proxy, installed on your Ubuntu machine, and from there then you can connect into your proxy, which can make your RDP session like a native session much faster. So I may create a next video for that. So keep tuned. If you found this video helpful and have some interesting information for you, please give me a thumb up. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.